Hello YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing? I got some burned out Dewalt drills. I'm just going to take them apart. I have two of them here. Apparently they're burnt. So I'm just going to see what the hell's inside. I want to see if I can get the chuck off. So, they're fried. They're making smoke. So I know there's people on the internet that take these apart, people that fix them, people refurbish them. No, these are going to garbage. I'm not fixing it. I'm not sending it to get refurbished. I'm not buying a new one like this or getting my old drill fixed. I'll, if I see them at the flea market for $10, maybe I'll buy one, but screw that shit. They're good drills though. I've had plenty of good times with these. Oh shit, let's screw. Oh well, into the world. These did many things, and then poof, one day they just died. Dead. Drop dead Fred. So yeah. I already know what's inside these, but I want the chuck. I can't seem to get it apart. I'm going to have to cut it off or burn it off or something. So, I know AVE, this channel, he takes these things apart all the time. Even says on my drill, I'm fried. Alright, let's see now. I think we have to take the molding shit off here somehow. How the hell do we get this apart? This is going to be fun. Oh no. The molding comes apart too. There must be one screw, it's still in here. Just one screw, just one screw. Drill must come apart somewhere. Oh yeah, stickers. Stickers, they hold everything together. Oh, look at that. Unburned out drills. The motor brushes. Too bad, huh? Too bad this thing does not work. At all. She's a fried. Get your motor running. Head out on the highway. It's pretty cool. Just a bunch of stuff in here. But you need drill parts. Even the the bushings are still good. Good cheap. Yeah. Maybe I can make some futuristic looking gun out of it. Maybe not. Take that off here. Junk. Yeah, that one's fried and this one's fried. I should get a battery out and see if I can smoke it. Smoke. Make the smoke. Come on. Off of here. There we go. This piece out of here. Why won't it come out? Come out, wherever you are. Broken old tools. Come on. What's this? Oh, the security tag. Yeah. How fancy. Well, that's cool. Look at that. Ooh, maybe I should put a flashlight in there. That'd be cool. Build my own flashlight. Let me see this thing. I think this one's dead too. This one's toasted. Roasted and toasted. Let me check. Maybe this one isn't fried. Yeah, I think this one's fried too. She's burnt. She's burned it. I can smell it burning. Or is it burnt? That one. Where's that other one? There's one drill over there. Yeah, that's my other 18 volt. It's the same as this one. Yeah, let's take this one apart anyway. Take you apart. Take you apart. They're never going back together. No, 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 no. Come on. Get off there, you. Come on, screw. Holy guacamole. There we go. There's one. I got here. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. I'll just take screws out. More screws out. Take all the screws out. I wonder if they used the same parts in a lot of these things. Probably came out with the same goddamn drill with the same innards every year. Do they actually spend time and like come out with different models and actually put different stuff in them, or they just like cheat you and be like, yeah, this is the new model. It's because it's got a different handle and put the same shit in it. Who knows? That's probably what they do. Oh, we're getting a jingle. It means we're almost dead. So I'm gonna end this video here just real quick and I'll start it over again. Hello YouTube, I got this apart, watch this. A minute ago it was almost on fire. Maybe this one still is still good. Maybe it just needed cleaning. It's a pretty cool motor though. I feel like if I touch it, I'm gonna electrocute it. Well, huh, maybe I should put it back together, right? Took it apart because it was dead. Well, guess what? It's not dead. So maybe I'll put it back together. Maybe I should have. It's probably a good idea. This one still works. Question is do I know what the hell I'm doing? Yeah, there we go. That's back together, I guess. I'm guessing this goes back. Ooh, ooh. No, don't fall apart. I didn't videotape this part. Oh no, come on. Come on, George. Alright, let me turn this shit off and fix this.